Hey everyone, welcome back to part 2. All right, this is some Mexican street corn, Americanized Mexican street corn. I got here 2 nice, beautiful ears of corn. We're going to go ahead and we're just going to throw them in the smoker just the way they are. All right, now bring you on over here and we're going to show you how we make up the mix for the Mexican street, Americanized Mexican street corn. Alrighty everyone, all right, so our mix for this Mexican, Americanized Mexican street corn, I have here 1 stick of butter, softened. We're going to put this in the smoker and we're going to soften up some more. But to that, I have here some salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and some smoked paprika. Go ahead and put that in there. I'll say about a teaspoon. I have 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. And that's 1 huge tablespoon because I like my garlic. And then to that, I have here some crumble feta Mediterranean herbs, which is, it looks like it's going to be dried tomatoes and other things in there. What we're going to do is take a handful of that and we're just going to crumble it up. Just like so. I don't know, guys. I've never done this before, but my buddy Alex told me about it, and he's like, dude, you ought to make like an American version of it. So you know what? That don't sound like a bad idea. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to put this in our smoker now, and we're going to let this soften up, and then we're going to mix it all together. But in the meantime, we're going to get back to that shrimp. Let's get that butter out of here. And go ahead and give this a good mixing. And this is going to be the mix that we're going to put on our Americanized Mexican street corn. I wish you all had smell-o-vision because I think this is going to be good. Happy eats. Break some of that feta cheese up some more. Oh yeah. What we'll do is put this back in the smoker and let it stay warm, and that will keep everything from solidifying too much. And when we're ready to, we'll pull it out and we'll put it on that corn. All right, guys, the corn is done, and oh, this looks absolutely fantastic. Nice smoky flavor on there. Got that butter, got that feta cheese, and that's the Mediterranean feta cheese. That's got the I think it's like tomatoes in it, or those dried tomatoes. But anyway, got the corn all smoked. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, how can you go wrong with that? Look at that, guys. Oh, steamy. Now, so I said Americanized. Going to take a brush here. You got some of that good feta cheese on there. Oh, man. Do the other one the same way. We'll grab some pictures. We'll have a taste test. All right, guys. We got the snapshots done. Let's have a taste, see how we did. Oh, that looks so good. And I'll be honest with you, this is the first time I've ever had it like this. So I don't know if it's going to be a pass or a fail. Let's find out together. Oh, yeah. That's my new way. That's going to be the new way that I make corn on the cob from now on. Feta cheese, the herb feta cheese, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and a stick of butter. You can't go wrong. Smoke it in the smoker, 2 hours, and good to go. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. God bless and happy eats.